Hey folks, just wanted to let you know, at the beginning of this video you'll see the air show down in Pikes Peak that we went to. Got to meet up with a lot of great friends. And then the barbecue, we had about 20 people show up at the barbecue. But this is one of the Red-tailed P-51Bs. Nick showed up in the B-17 and they did parachute out of the Bombay, which was really cool. But I will show you little snippets of the air show and then we will show you the barbecue, a little bit of that. Enjoy.
There you go.
We got the barbecue all set up here. Pods are up and running, no issues. Have the house logos. All but the Steiner, I gotta make the Steiner. Food, all the buns, stuff like that. Beer in the coolers. Broncos game will be on, mission review, and plenty of seating. We have the grill master of his ribs. Hi! So Jeremy wanted to make sure that when your mech is going heat level critical, all the smoke actually goes in to make it more realism. Look, it's Cliffy. Here's a baby seal in its natural habitat.
The red flashing light and everything.
Hit the red flashing light, Cameron. It makes the clowns come out.
Shut up! You guys are such assholes.
Yes, you are.
How you doing there, baby seal? Hit the little button and you'll get a fresh mech. At least he knows the Denver salute. You having fun picking on the baby seal?
Fun. And they also do dragon.
New players learn Red Planet.
Wow. This is hard and this is fun.
I can take a singular hit.
Yes. But you're in a spec. You can take a hit, though. There was a wall there, Korth.
Found your wall. It's right there.
Boost! This map is known as Berserker's Bonsai. It is named after Mike, who goes by Berserker down in Texas. Korth is experiencing it for the first time ever. He is learning Red Planet for the first time and is learning it, but is loving it, especially the challenge. Brother versus brother.
One shall stand, one shall fall.
It's a beautiful day on Gator Bait. We have two Ryokins going out in a no-return death match. First one to die loses. Really wish I had Duncan Fisher here to call us. Why you don't fire missiles? You're too close for active or passive to matter. There you go. Uh-oh. Younger brother's going to win. There goes your gyro. These are the stock Ryokens. They come with 4 medium pulse, 2 streak 6, and jump jets. They're very much like the Ryoken A, except instead of having an LRM-20, they have jump jets. There you go.
Well done.